Alright, we are continuing with our vowels. We need to continue to hear the difference between a short vowel and a long vowel. We've already completed our work on short A, long A. Short A says a, long A says a. Our work on E, short E says e, long E says e. I, short I says I, long I says I. This week we're going to concentrate on the short and long vowel O. Short O says ah, ah, like the doctor says open up and say ah. Short O says ah. Long O says its name, saying O. So let's read our words, and in our head we're going to think, is that a short O or a long O? Let's start with clock, phone, no, shop, soap, throw, odd, road, toast, note, coach, now, choke, grow, cow. Alright, let's go down from here, starting with clock. Clock. You hear the ah sound in the middle of clock, which means it's short O. It's saying ah, like the doctor says, open up and say ah. Notice in the spelling of clock that there are no other vowels. That's also telling me I should read it as a short vowel, because in this first syllable there are no other vowels. In fact, all of our short O words this week only have one syllable. Let's look at the word phone. Own. I hear the O saying its name, and I see this letter E at the end of our word. What do we call that? The magic E. Wait, hold on. I've seen a magic E before. I've seen it for long vowel A. I've seen it long vowel E. Well, that's not so very common, magic E with E. But I know that magic E, like when we used last week in long vowel I, it makes the vowel say its name. So look, that's a rule. No matter what vowel comes before that magic E, that magic E is making the vowel say its name. This week, the magic E is making the O say its name. So we say, okay, let's pretend that magic E disappears. It's given all its power to the letter O. So now we have the word own, phone. We don't make a sound for this silent E. It gives all its power, makes the O say its name. So long vowel, magic E. Now here, this is not our N-O, meaning no, I am not going to run in the hallway. This is know, as in knowledge, something that you understand, something that you use your brain. I know 2 plus 2 equals 4. So, as you can see, we have a silent K, N, O, W. So that O-W that we're using this week is not the diphthong ow. We're going to use it as a long vowel O. So now, oh my goodness, we have to understand that our O-W in a word this week is long vowel O. But I know in 2nd grade you learned O-W also could say ow. You find that a lot. That's why we break apart our rules. This week we are learning that the O-W can make the sound long O. But sometimes you will find that the O-W sound makes the ow sound. Okay? We'll see that in just a minute. So this is no, which is O-W, making a long O sound. Shop, sh-op. I'm saying ah, like the doctor says, so it's short vowel. Soap. Oh, here's a new rule. S-O-A-P. Am I saying s-a-ap? No. This goes along with that age-old rule that we've been practicing for weeks. First vowel does the talking. Second vowel does the walking. So this A is telling the O to say its name, and it's walking away. It doesn't make a sound. It is telling the O to say its name. So this rule is first vowel does the talking, second vowel does the walking. Now, I'd like for you to find all words that have a short O, saying ah, magic E, making the O say its name, O-A, first vowel does the talking, second vowel does the walking. Line them up here. And then the O-W at the end of the word that says O. Listen to me carefully. You've got to read those words. If it ends in O-W, our rule this week says O-W will say O. If you find anything wrong, those would be oddballs. So press pause now. If you're at home, go ahead and write your words in these columns. So start with short O, write all your short O words. Then O, magic E, write your words underneath that. And do the same for O-A, O-W, and then see if you could find those oddballs. Go ahead, press pause now. Oh, by the way, if you're at school, then use your sorting words. All right, welcome back. So now you've completed your sort. Let's look at how you did. Short O, you should have clock, shop, odd. All three words saying the ah sound, like the doctor who says open up and say ah. That's short O. Now here the rule is magic E. The magic E makes the vowel long, so the O is going to say its name, O. We have phone, note, coach. Uh-oh, that's not a magic E. We have choke. Now O-A, this is the rule that first vowel does the talking, second vowel does the walking. In this case, the O is going to say its name. Soap, road, toast, and coach. Now, this week, our O-W rule is long O. O-W saying O. We have know, as in knowledge, you understand something. Throw, grow. Now, cow? Hold on. That doesn't make sense. Now, cow? This is our diphthong, O-W, when it says ow. Although it does follow the diphthong rule, O-W, this week it is not following our long O sound. So this week, the word now and cow are oddballs. All right, get ready because I'm going to tell you the rules of this week. So when you're doing your homework, here is what you would write. When there's only one vowel in a syllable, it is a short vowel. In this case, short vowel O says ah, like when the doctor says open up and say ah. Your next rule is the same rule you've been writing since the beginning of the school year. Magic E makes the vowel say its name. In this case, the magic E is making the O say its name. The third rule that you've written over and over and over again. First vowel does the talking, second vowel does the walking. In this case, the O is saying its name, the A is walking away. We saw this with EE, EA, um, and other two vowels together. So again, it's that same rule. All these rules are the same for short and long vowels. Magic E, no matter what vowel, and then two vowels together is that first vowel does the walking, second vowel does the talking. Now here is a common way to make a long O. So OW at the end of our syllable here is making the long O sound. So N, O, thr, O, gr, O. At the end of the syllable this week, OW makes the long O sound. And then our oddballs do not follow the rule of OW making the long O sound. These oddballs are the diphthongs saying ow. So if you have any questions on your homework, just rewind and you can write down the rules as I've told you.